Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to create a tabular report in Salesforce. First, go to the app launcher in your Salesforce environment by clicking the grid icon in the upper left corner. Then select Reports. Next, click the New Report button to start creating a fresh report. Now select the report type. This determines which data and records you'll be able to include in your report. After selecting the report type, choose the objects you want to include, such as accounts or opportunities. For a tabular report, your data will be displayed in a simple table format with rows and columns. Next, go to the Outline tab to select the fields you want to show as columns in your report. Use the Filters section to narrow down your data to specific criteria, such as a particular account name or opportunity stage. You can also add or remove columns in the Outline tab as needed. Once your report setup is complete, click Save. Give your report a meaningful name and choose a folder to store it for easy access later. And that's it. You now have a tabular report ready in Salesforce to analyze and make informed decisions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.